Backing up your iPhone photos to iCloud is a great way to keep them safe and accessible across all your Apple devices. And in this quick video, I'll show how you can back up your photos to iCloud. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your app ID from the top, tap on iCloud. Then tap on See All next to Save to iCloud. Next, tap on iCloud Photos. After that, toggle on Sync this iPhone. And if you want to save storage space on your iPhone, choose the Optimize iPhone Storage option. This will keep lower resolution versions of your photos on your device, while full resolution versions are stored in iCloud. Quickly after that, open Setting again. Scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, tap Photos. Make sure to enable iCloud Photos from here. So guys, that's how you back up your iPhone photos to iCloud. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. Want more helpful tips and tricks like this one? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.